How to create travel destination using map animation. In today's video, I'll share a simple tutorial on how to make it.
Come on now, listen up.
Simple, open Canva.
Let's go.
Tap landscape video.
Yeah, and your goodbye.
Tap apps.
Every single day brings a lesson to learn. Don't keep it inside.
Search map video.
When it's your time to share, a little bit of knowledge can inspire someone. When we work together, every battle is won. You don't need to brag just to shine so bright. A helping heart will always be the greater light. From simple ideas to the biggest dreams, together we'll rise higher than
Choose your desired length.
we've ever been. Open
Select your airplane.
up your mind, don't be afraid to try. Every experience
Choose the country flight from.
helps you reach the sky. But cyber,
On country 2, select your destination.
together we will rise. Share
Tap add text and create video.
tips and ideas. Honesty unites. Like cyber, lighting up the way. Knowledge
Then tap add to design.
is our weapon. Success is
Tap 3 dot and select set video as background.
where we'll stay. My cyber, standing side by side. Every word of wisdom helps our dreams come alive.
You can adjust the length up to 10 seconds. The video plays too fast. If you'd like to slow it down, you can adjust the playback speed.
If you've learned something, pass it on with pride. A simple piece of guidance can change somebody's life. No idea's too small when your heart is true. Everything you've learned can become something new. Every single mistake points a brand new way. Not a sign of failure, just a brighter day. Share
Now, as you can see, the video is playing at a slower speed.
your skills freely, never hold them back. Because real success is when we all stay on track. Keep on moving forward, never let
Once the process is complete, you can download the video and save it as an MP4 file.
it go. Every bit of knowledge helps your future grow. We're cyber, together we will rise. Sharing tips and ideas, honesty unites. Like cyber, lighting up the way. Knowledge is our weapon.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful and learned something new today. See you in the next video.